Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Colors of Mathematics. So today we are going to figure out the formula for area of parallelogram. So let's start. Here I have with me a rectangle. You all know how to find out the area of a rectangle? Yes, it is found by multiplying length and breadth. If this is length and this is breadth, so area of a rectangle is equal to L, that is length, into breadth, that is B. So now let's figure out the area of a rectangle from this. Now see, I have shaded a triangle from the rectangle. So what do we have to do is we have to cut out this triangle like this. So I have cut this triangle from one side, and what am I gonna do is I am going to put it on the other side. So see, now what I have done is I have cut the triangle from one side. From this side I had cut the triangle. It was kept like this, and I have put it on the other side like this. So now what do I get? This shape is a parallelogram. It has two pairs of parallel sides. One is this pair and the other one is this pair. Now, can you think whether the area changes or not? Because area is the space covered by the shape. So, the area was earlier also it was covering the same space, and now also when I have cut this triangle and put it on the other side, now also it covers the same area. Area remains the same, but the shape has changed. So area should be L into B only. But now if you look at this shape, the L, what was L? This. L was this. But now in this shape, the parallelogram, the L of the rectangle has become its height. So this is its height. It is this much tall. If this is the base, now the length will be taken as the base and the breadth becomes the height, and it can be written as H. The area will now become breadth. Area of the parallelogram will only change in the way it is written. It will be base into height. And it can also be written as, we can write base as B and height as H. So B into H. So this way now we have figured out that a parallelogram, the formula for the area of a parallelogram is base into height. Now we have two parallelograms. How to figure out their area? So you see, if I take this as the base of this parallelogram and say this line represents the height and this much is the base B. So area would be B into H. Similarly, for the other parallelogram, we can first draw a perpendicular from the base. If this is the base we are taking, then we need to draw a perpendicular from the top point to the base. If this is H, again the area will be base into height. So the area will be base into height. I hope it is clear. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.